This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Kik account and turning on two-factor authentication so you avoid access issues later. Next, install OBS or Streamlabs and set your base canvas to 1280 x 720 or 1920 x 1080 depending on bandwidth. This balances quality and stability. Once done, connect a reliable mic and webcam, add basic lighting, and choose a quiet room. Make sure upload speed is at least 5 Mbps. If not, lower bitrate before going live to prevent buffering. You now pull the stream key from Kik's dashboard and paste it into OBS under Stream Settings. This authenticates your broadcast. Then set bitrate between 3, 500 and 6, 000 kbps depending on upload. Choose a hardware encoder if your GPU supports it to reduce CPU load. Once configured, create scenes with game or window capture, a webcam overlay, alert source, and a chat dock so you can monitor messages. Make sure to name scenes clearly and test scene transitions before you hit Start Streaming. Start the stream and immediately confirm your title, category, and relevant tags so viewers find you. While live, monitor dropped frames, CPU usage, and network stability. Interact with chat using prompts to retain viewers. If viewers report lag or your stream shows dropped frames, lower the bitrate or resolution, switch to a different encoder, or restart OBS and reconnect. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, test with a local recording to isolate OBS settings versus network or Kik service issues before making more changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.